This is the Skoda Fabia MK3, and if you need to replace the cabin air filter, the garages will take 20 to 50 euros depending on where you live, so you will need this kind of filter. And it's quite easy. I wouldn't say it's the easiest car for cabin air filter replacement, but it's quite easy to replace on your own. So what you need to do, first of all, here is the location of the filter. Here is the cover, the plastic cover, and you need to move these two locks to the center, like that, and just take this cover carefully off. And here is the filter. As you see, it doesn't look good at all. Well, in this car, it doesn't make much difference which way, this or this, you will install this filter. It will work anyway. So take the new filter. It looks better than the old one. I'll tell you that when you use two hands, it's much easier than when you're using one and trying to film anything. So it just slides there with no problem. And then make sure these plastic locks, they are in the center, and just install it in its old place, press it firmly, and move the locks where they initially were. That's all. A new filter is in.